Guess yung umuwi kami para magpakasal dito, yun nga yung magandang move for us. Special day sa amin, with special people sa buhay namin. Sila rin yung witness nung nag-seal kami ng aming ng vows.
Parang iba pa rin kahit na marami na kami pinagdaanan, trials, happy moments we shared together. Parang eto, start of another journey talaga sa amin.
Ang kulit mo, Joshua.
It's so confusing everywhere. Well, I do. Hey, it's a jungle out there.
Hello, Irma and Ray. We're happy for you. And remember na, kahit na anong mangyari, we will always be friends.
All the best for all the adventures abroad. Bumalik kayo sa Pilipinas na meron ng mga baby, ha?
We're really proud, guys, that you came back to the Philippines and be married. And we are really proud of you. We hope that you're going to have a successful family in the States.
Jet and Irma, congratulations. Mukha kayo ng maraming anak.
Congratulations to you, Ray, and best wishes to you, Irma. Good luck na lang sa karera nyo dyan, no, sa Amerika.
Sana maging productive ang inyong pagsasama.
Yung respeto, pag-unawaan at pagmamahalan ay huwag mawawala sa inyo dahil nahindyan ang tagumpay ng pagsasama ninyo bilang mag-asawa.
Maging faithful kayo sa isa't isa, huwag mataas yung pride, kailangan bigayin kayo dalawa, saka continue na lang yung love nyo, alam ko mahal na mahal yung isa't isa, so walang problema doon, yun na yun.
Finally, you tied the knot.
Best wishes sa inyo dalawa.
There's no straight road to success. There's a lot of cards along the way. Choose the right way, the right path, and that you think appropriate and best for you. Congratulations and best wishes.
Biniwish ko kayo na sana magkaroon kayo ng maraming kids para habulin nyo kami ni Sonso.
Biyayaan kayo ng kahit na 4 na anak, yung mga malulusog kagaya nito mga ito.
I know that the Lord will be the one to bless you more and more. And I will speak blessing, prosperity, good health, and even grace to abound in you all throughout. Let Christ always be there, okay? God bless you.
May the good Lord guide you wherever you go. Always. We love you.
Sa bago siya ng pinagbibigyan ko ikaw.
Yan.
It's really a dream come true. So, good luck and we love you.
Sana ay marami kayong pagpapala na mata mo sa inyong buhay dito at lalong-lalo na doon sa inyong buhay may asawa sa Amerika.
I wish you all the happiness this world could ever offer to you. May you stay longer and happy and healthy.
Irma, thank you, Ray, good luck.
Many children.
Ang wish namin sa inyong dalawa, Ray at Irma, na maging successful pa lalo yung marriage life nyo. Maging matagumpay pa lalo sa career, sa love, sa life, no? At good luck doon sa buhay nyo, sa abroad.
Commitment sounds like an obligation, pero sa kanila, it's not an obligation, but it is passion to serve and to share. So, continue the love you have, and good luck. More children.
Love you!
Yung life nyo together has already started since this day. Sana maging ganito and ka-fruitful yung future nyo together. Best wishes, congratulations to both of you. Your wedding is so beautiful. I wish may ganito rin yung wedding namin. It's the best. The food is great, the venue is great, everything is great. Good luck to both of you.
Congrats. Irma and Ray, salamat. See you soon.
Nabigayan kayo, huwag kayong mag-aaway. Kung may kakamali ang isa, magbibigay.
Finally, after almost 10 years, kinasal na kayo. I'm happy na sana magkita tayo next year sa US. Okay? Congratulations. Congratulations and good luck sa buhay niyo dyan. Basta, huwag niyo lang kaming kakalimutan dito. Lagi namin pinagdarasal.
Best wishes and congratulations. Sana magkaroon kayo ng perfect marriage.
Have fun and always remember we're always here to support both of you
And best wishes.
Kids soon.
Something ayos.
It's jungle out there.
Thumbs up dito sa camera. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yan.
Ray and Irma, congratulations and best wishes.
Pagmahalan kayo ng tunay at tapat sa inyo bawat isa. Salamat.
Congratulations sa naging outcome ng kasal ninyo. Alam ko naman yan ang wish ninyo at yan ang pinaghirapan ninyo. Congratulations ulit.
Congratulations. Sana maligayang pagsasama niyong dalawa. Best wishes. Mabuhay kayo.
May be the last couple to live on earth. And may all your wishes come true. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda-ganda sa babalik nila. Babalik kami. Akala ko, imagine, congrats.
Congratulations, Tita and Tito Jet. I hope I have many cousins. I love you.
Ikaw ang katawan. Hello.
Sexy po ba ako?
Sexy mo ba ako? Pero huwag mo papagalitan sa sasabihin ko na nabutas ko yung earbud ah.
Tita Irma and Tito Ray, sana po pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos.
Paano magalit si Papa?
At yan, nagagawin ka naman.
Yan! Wrong now. It's jungle out.
And last,
I said something.
Okay, thank you.